Hello cute kiddos! Welcome to Twinkle Stories, making kids smarter. Please like the video and subscribe our channel. Today we will learn body parts name. Let's start. Face. This is face. Eyes. This is eyes. Eyebrow. This is eyebrow. Nose. This is nose. Lips. This is lips. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Mouth. This is mouth. Ear. This is ear. Head. This is head. Cheek. This is cheek. Chin. This is chin. Hairs. These are hairs. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Thumb. This is thumb. Nail. This is nail. Chest. This is chest. Stomach. This is stomach. Legs. This is legs. Knee. This is knee. Thigh. This is thigh. Foot. This is foot. Toe. This is toe. Let's revise. Are you ready, kids? Head. Ears. Eyebrow. Eyes. Nose. Ear. Teeth. Tongue. Neck. Shoulder. Chest. Arm. Elbow. Hand. Fingers. Thumb. Stomach. Thigh. Knee. Leg. Foot. Toe. Well done, kiddos! Thanks for watching Twinkle Stories.